Welcome back. There's some good news coming in as far as India's growth trajectory is concerned. The Reserve Bank of India has now upgraded India's real GDP forecast. The forecast for current 2024-25 fiscal year has now been upgraded to 7% is what we're given to understand. This is the latest coming in from the RBI. This comes on the back of Goldman Sachs revising India's GDP forecast 2 days ago as well. Pallavi, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more details. Pallavi, big thumbs up as far as India's growth trajectory is concerned?
Absolutely, and this just comes ahead of the S&P projections, which also came late last night, which has given the thumbs up to the Indian economic growth story from stable to being progressive. That's one big leap ahead. And now with the RBI coming up with these kind of projections, which means the GDP growth rate is going to increase by 7%. In fact, Poonam at the economic survey, which was tabled recently before the parliament elections were called, at that point of time, the forecast was pitched between 6.5 to 7%. So it is going according to the plans and projections of the government. And this is a huge growth story. It's going to help the share market. And as we are all going to look forward to what the election results are going to be all about. But just ahead, politically speaking, Poonam, just ahead of the last phase of polling on 1st, this is certainly a huge thumbs up to the growth story which has been pushed forward by the Prime Minister and his slogan of Viksit Bharat.
Absolutely, this definitely would give ammunition to the BJP because economy is something that the opposition has been raising as a point against the BJP-led government in this election season. For the moment though, Pallavi, thank you so much for getting us the latest.